Okay, now so the original Naija station, Naija FM 102.7, you still listen to. 3 minutes now, don't dance, Kelly, we'll come out from 11 o'clock. I didn't sure say, a lot of people don't they think, where till they go on for inside the studio, now back up, they don't.
They check guitar, it's in 102.7.
No. Yeah, so now me, so you get one new glasses, maybe say actually just buy. So, and they try to do testing the microphone with the new glasses. And they try to, talk like those people waiting for New York City. So, but right now I don't switch back to Wari style. So I don't get Baba go there inside the studio. I'm Lady JJ. I serve at one of my first voice. Oh yeah, maybe sing that song. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Oh, Mama, sorry. First voice.
Yes.
We missed you so much. I don't know about Lady J.
Mention.
But I miss you. I try to personalize them. I miss you.
Lady J tell me yesterday say she missed me. She almost cried. She almost cried when she see me.
Lady J, is that true?
And then when I take Shaka, I just cry. I say, Lady J, he said, how you did now?
Make I give you one gist. Lady J don't talk, say she did short, say you don't go hug him.
I shocked her yesterday now.
You shocked me yesterday.
I said, Lady J, stand up, let me hug you. Say, He said, you want to hug me? I said, stand up. I give her better. Not be sisterly side hug. Bare
you give her the full
she
hug.
She feel my broad chest.
Wow.
Pressing against her own.
Wow.
And Lady J rolled her hand on my back like this.
Oh, wow.
When I hug her, he's sweet and she do hand like this for the back. Oh, welcome back.
God,
this is the first time you've hugged me like this.
Are you serious?
I can't say, hold it. Don't shed tears. Don't shed tears. Then they just say, for hugging me like this, I'm giving you chocolate.
Oh my God.
Now she pull out the chocolate for her bag.
Gege.
Give it to me.
Gege.
I say, Lady J, give me chocolate. For the hug. So I think I have to hug her more now.
Oh wow. So that more chocolates will come out.
Yeah, the hug, they produce chocolates.
Oh my God, we know. Now actually, I don't already plan the chocolates. I go give them as welcome back.
Oh, that's so sweet. That means I need to go and look for something to give R&B, because by the time Lady J you talk this one, R&B go say, see, Lady J did this. What did you do as I just come back?
You just saying they listen.
David, say our listeners they go tell Amebo, they go give them the Amebo now.
Some listeners send me, do me Amebo, but they don't really tell me. They just say that they gossip you for radio. I
don't already talk.
So when you come back, you and R&B need to defend yourself. I say, what's exactly we go defend ourselves?
So, but I hope say you don't defend yourselves now.
No,
you dey wait make R&B to come before.
I never defend myself. No, na two of una gossip us now. So what una talk about me?
It's no different from what I talked last week. Now I say God, they hug me like that.
Okay, so that one now I clear her down.
Then she said before, so you dey pay sometimes when she's broke. So she don't even talk finish before you go put your hand for pocket, give her some money and the rest of them. So when last you give Lady J money?
That our Obasanjo now be president.
No, see, but you forget. I say that time.
Obasanjo na Yar'Adua and Jonathan be president that time.
No, when we started
2010 na Yar'Adua
yes,
before
exactly.
he come on Jonathan and Yar'Adua.
Yes.
That's the country see good. I feel afford to buy that time 2K go buy 2 full plates of amala plus roundabout shakia body everything.
True.
These days that 2K na only fish and meat. Amala no even dey pomo no dey. So
wetin I dey try talk now say if you remember when we start when we dey do our own onboarding.
When would they do training for downstairs? You mean for inside the conference room? Okay.
You just me, you say they don't call you. Say me, you can't collect your final entitlements as you come out. Me, I can't tell you. Say they never give me my own. So I don't even know as I want to go out. You say why they never give? I say I don't know. Maybe because na federal, this thing. You say okay. You don't talk anything. As we finish, like you just call me. Give me 1K. Say take. Go ask. True.
And nice like that time.
Yes. Even twice you buy me that time when BRT they sell this ticket where they tear. 2 times.
Buy you tickets.
2 times.
Wow.
So Baba God, why you know nice like that?
So at that time, me and they talk. That time, me be my one of my go-to persons where would they gist.
You know, that time we just start. We just start Naija FM. And then me, as a big name that I is.
Yeah.
And those are a big name and they come from sports and from the other
That
side.
you hiss.
So I be big name that time and they're just me new colleagues. I need to be nice.
Oh.
So I guess that's part of the reason why I said it. And then when she tell me say those people they never pay her for.
So as you did nice to
I
her.
can't dey nice to her that time.
You
But
did
I
nice
think
to other
along-
people too at that
Yes, I
time.
did nice to everybody. I did nice to Sabina. I did
Okay.
nice to every other person that time. I was nice. I mean,
No, when I say aside from being nice, we dey talk now. Get one thing where you confide in me. That time when they give us employment letter, you can't show me say see waiting that they collect at the end. Say no tell anybody.
yes.
And that now how close we dey. So between I talk, I say I don't know where that friend go. Between I talk.
Yes.
Okay, so another question you go ask yourself now.
Eh.
Okay, that lady J of that time, where she did?
I still be the same person.
Me say I still be the same person now.
No.
But you talk. So
Some
that time,
things change.
You say na Yaradua season we
Na
did that time.
Yaradua be
No be
Jonathan
just the
and
giving
Jonathan.
aspect, though. No be just the giving
But apart
aspect.
from that, sef, you
I
know
dey talk
say
about
apart
as
from
friends,
that, you
we
know
dey
say
talk.
Lady J, after a while, I come find out say Lady J no dey hear word, and she Lady J no dey listen to advice.
Okay.
So now part of what pull me away now the fact say
You know they listen.
Lady J no dey listen. So there was no meeting of minds. You go find out say sometimes Lady J standpoint most time now to first defend herself any way tell her instead of to see the
You know,
point
say she
wey
dey
dey
always
make.
talk based on the background, that background maybe say she get. Now why they be like? say
And
she
most
get
times if you don't they talk, because now listeners when they use this thing, they attack me. They
See?
usually know they listen. Yes.
Hey,
They use them because they always they talk them, so they use them attack me now.
But I tell you why if you say I pull
And
away, I tell you
people
why I
as
pull
at
away
last
that
week
time.
said they still talk them and because
So
you know they listen. I make God you no one talk to you. So they make them look like they be bad person.
Okay, no, just so tell them now. Say you don't
bad
begin to
talk.
listen now.
No, that the truth. What now they tell you now? Say if you continue they talk, I know they. At least when they say person they do something, you're supposed to observe. Say, be like say this person don't they change.
Okay,
you.
but the truth is that they don't they change in recent times.
because
But that time, but what it cause the difference between that time and now? I say, boy, you can't reach to and say you know can't they listen.
and I tell you,
That
say now
time.
your manner of approach. I talk him.
No, Lady J, even when I approach you in the meekest and the gentlest,
I know
and
they- I know they that bad.
You know, no, you
I
know,
know they
no,
that
you know
bad.
what they normally do.
Eh.
You go always try to justify or look for to explanation to explain waiting why, and I go tell you say, look, forget this explanation. Just learn the correction
I mean,
and
look
move
for
on.
trouble.
You know,
And
go-
not be all the time because
Thank
now
you.
as at last week. The way the listeners attack me, it pain me, and I tell them, say, the moment they
Lady-
attack me, they hurt me.
Lady and
Every time Lady
gentleman.
J know they listen.
Lady,
Listen, come on,
wahala, don't
get
look
some
for
this way they
trouble.
listen to.
Lady and gentleman. Yes, you have defend yourself, finish, let us move to the order of the day.
okay,
so
so-
when you enter workshop, you can drag the
no,
matter
we need to tell
past
them now.
this
Say
one.
Lady J don't they listen now.
No, well, I mean, I never complained about that. Say she know they listen. So now you.
No,
feel
they
say
tell
she
the
know
so I
they
tell the listener say based on me now, she don't they listen now.
She don't they listen.
And if she come back to not listening, I go see tell them.
Okay. All right, Lady J, can we move on now?
When we move, I beg, we
So I
go.
don't defend myself
You
finish.
give us the go ahead, Abby.
Move the go.
So you get to one Nigerian lady, you know, based on the fact, say, you know, say when we they grow up, our parents they always tell us, say, oh, before you bring somebody to the house, make sure say you hear the voice of God. Make sure say God say, okay, oh, this is your husband. This is your wife. Some go tell you, say, oh, I did not hear voice of God, but I had peace of mind before I married the person that I married. So the lady, they ask people for advice. You say, good evening, house. Please, what do you do when your wedding is in a month time? And another lady show up claiming she's pregnant for your fiancé.
Voila.
Do you call off the wedding or you continue? NB, I sought the face of God. B, I saw the face of God and I got approval from God before
marry the
agreeing to this proposal.
Make I talk, I beg.
Talk.
Approval will come from different angles. Your emotions will approve you. Approve for you. Your emotions they involve. You're invested already. So if you go, they feel. Of course, they feel this way. It means say God they involved. Or in a case of people, they always they tell you, you guys wanna look good together, wanna look good together. So you go take that one as your cue. Say
Now approval,
from God. Now make I say now from different angles. And sometimes when you think about something a lot, if you sleep, you feel dream of that way. You
Okay, so let's assume say the approval now from all those days. Now with the guy don't go give somebody else belly. Waiting be your advice to her.
Hey,
You know, you wetin
this
you
one no be approval of God, because the blessings of, even Bible say blessings of God, they make rich, they add
And then it's
sorrow.
sorrow.
But
So God no go give me wetin go
no,
add sorrow.
no, but
This one
sometimes
no be approval
no,
of
the
God.
blessings of God make rich and add no sorrow. No, me say you know if you carry sorrow by yourself enter. You
God.
understand? I'll give you an example. Who create devil?
Now
Ah,
God,
na God.
Now, if now you be God, they create the devil. Say you go create person, you go come cause confusion for your creation.
You know that time when you create
Because
them,
the way
you know,
God, no,
you know,
you want to say God, no. See, God they give. Any way God create give free will. Angels get free will. Human beings get. If angels don't get free will, the devil no feel rebel. They will just be go come like robots. So they get free will. Devil decide to. All the 1/3 of the angels, where Bible say follow devil fall. They decide to follow devil. They get position. They decide to they want rebel like cool plotters. You understand? So they get free will. The same with human beings. So now we go to talk say what I do. God will not say go ahead and marry this guy. But then he get free will. Either he won't go give her another get belle or not. God no go force her. So God will say that a good guy to marry you. But the guy if he decide say he go give somebody else. But at this point, and you can't decide whether even God say those God a good guy. Somebody else don't get belle for him. I feel live with that kind of information. If you decide to change your mind, I'll give you an example. God tell David, you no go ever lack picking on top the throne. Netanyahu na from David family.
Voila.
The president of Israel now.
I beg.
Now,
you know they carry us go where we
first,
don't know.
David no get anybody for the Israel don't even get king now. Now president then gets. But God tell David say that your children go to rule. You understand that they tell you. The fact that God talk Israel that na presidential system they perform they do kingship before. The point be say the lady na decision to decide. God tell me say my mind this guy, but the guy don't mess up.
Yeah, but if now your sister carry this
leave the guy. I'll tell her to leave the
Hey,
guy.
because you can't be like say you want to make her look like this if you continue.
I no go ahead. Lie.
And they talk in the aspect of say, even if she say God give approval, say God like say with the guy. God give approval, but the guy mess up. So leave her. Guy will never marry, don't they give girl belle? What's he go come do on a marry?
You know, say the annoying aspect out of the 100% of Nigerians will give this lady advice. They tell her say since she don't talk say na God, say make she continue with the wedding.
No, now.
Say make you just forgive the guy.
Now make I say
and also forgive.
Now make I say you fit get here God approval from different angles. Your emotions, sometimes your hormones. Self.
Because sometimes God if he don't tell you something, if he, for instance, God tell Abraham, I'll make you a father of many generations. I'll give you your own picking. But Abraham still giving asset belle now.
Because if you say the
that one
promise
different
don't
now,
take.
but that case is different from this one. And you know if you compare that case to
No,
this
they
one.
tell you say God will tell you something, but if anything you want to do, he no go stop you.
Yeah,
But
because
the
of your
fact say
free
God
will.
tell Abraham say go, I will give you promised child. Not me say Abraham no still taking herself, she get belle now.
Yeah.
And now why suggest time now? Say I don't.
The wife tie Abraham open and naked. Carry the girl, put on top of Abraham, abi. You try I beg. So when she leave the guy don't already dey prove. They say that for Saturday they know Sunday we go
Yes,
good.
now.
They say that the fornicator na be the adulterer. Preach it, preacher.
No, make I put am like this. Any fornicator na adulterer in training.
Hey, head by me. Please, Lady J, Pastor Mrs. Lady J.
No, see, the point na say
Wait. Now, both of now don't wait.
man will not be faithful to you when una single.
Yeah.
You no go fit
You know
well na
faithful
marry.
when una
when I
marry.
marry.
I know guys who don't their wedding they come up. Next week or next 2 months so they see they take girls and they plan their wedding.
You know, say I know somebody for their wedding day. The girl na him give girl to him husband to be. Say make you use and do last night together.
Can you imagine
Imagine the
imagine
likeness.
that kind
And the lady don't get belle before the wedding. So it's because they talk say the men they do. What's with that event men they do?
Bachelor's Eve.
Bachelor's Eve. So I know say for most bachelor's Eve will be worldly bachelor's Eve.
So
you go see say they go carry plenty girls, give the guy, say enjoy yourself. Say this one at the last night where you go do with any other woman apart from your wife.
help you.
But this one na the wife to be carry girls go give.
It go tell you say that girl, because any girl will go. You go let your guy go do bachelor's Eve, enjoy yourself. You can't go taste one girl that night. Will be like another. Okay.
But I don't know the problem.
Where go can't leave lasting memory.
But
Very lasting
You go
memory.
find the girl go.
but God, before you marry, you taste from other people forbidden fruit, Abi.
No, I get different kind of girlfriends. I get plenty girlfriends. I did take well when
You
in
dey
those
taste
days.
them.
I get girlfriends.
Okay, and now you are married.
No, see, I've always been a loyal person. If they date girl,
Eh.
and then they look another girl.
No, I want to ask you a question based on the taster where you be.
That time. No, I date different girls where I take. So
When you taste, so based on the take and the tasting where you do, at a
I was
point,
once in the world
okay, any difference there
between
all this thing, the corner where you enter for each of them?
different ladies taste differently. Though. Difference though. All of them will be the same thing. No, all of them will be the same thing. It gets some way be say if you don't think about them, you could all do. Oh man.
Hey, my
It gets some. It gets some. If you think about it, go say now outside even enter here.
Are you serious?
Yes. It gets some. Even though you don't marry, you go say man.
But
This girl that time,
I don't
sha.
see men come and talk, say now face is different, say that down there is the same.
That is a big, massive lie. I dey tell you,
Thank
better.
God we get some other men.
That's
Victor,
different, no.
Victor na guru on top the matter
See,
too.
ma, I tell you.
Hey,
Better man, give
Victor,
example.
you.
See,
Victor Pozo.
see, ma, I tell you.
Bozo.
Every
Even
guy.
you.
Now only Ibrahim I
That
trust.
baby face, innocent face.
Ma, I give you an example.
Trust-
Keep quiet
I trust
for there.
different
Try
men.
wipe
See,
that your
ma, give you example.
your eyeglass.
Me. You get this one I don't think about.
Hey,
No, listen.
wahala.
One time I don't like that and think, say, I don't marry for how many years. Now I can't think, okay, I can't try to count. Okay, one day I ask OTB, how many girlfriends you don't get in your life before you marry? He say, maybe like 10, 15. I told OTB, if you have 15, you be nice guy. Yo. 10,
So you do
15.
pass OTB?
Wait, I can't begin to count my girlfriends in the past. So when I can't say, they almost between 15 20. Sure.
Okay.
So when I can't I can't say, okay, not I can't think.
Waiting.
Any of them face will come my mind. And they remember the experience. So I can't even categorize them. Tightest.
Hey.
Sweetest.
Hey.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Right now, I wish Sarah be actually there.
So I give all of them. I give all of them title. See, now I can tell you, say this one, no, the memory this one live with me. Be say, in terms of na day radio, but all of them they live different kind of feelings. Where if you really enjoy and forget, you go they get the lasting memories. Now you say you discipline yourself. Say now I'm married. Marriage na decision. Say I want stay with this woman. Not be say because now she fine pass, sweet pass, tall pass. No. Because if he be bad boy like we be in those days, you feel don't even taste waiting when you marry. Say man, anytime when you just see the girl picture, sometimes if you don't for house, they go say, "What's your mind?" This country, man, this country, the wahala for this country, the wahala for this country, man.
Oh my God!
Oh God, Godwin.
Make her stop to they call. This person say, "Becca, stop calling my sweet creamy." First voice, Baba go there.
Sweet creamy.
Creamy.
Godwin. Yes, sweet creamy.
So make her answer of Nana, ladies. Make her so now one tell me now say if they think about una former ex. When you think about one person, you know they get different feeling to the other one. You know they know the difference in terms of.
Well,
I mean, you understand?
Okay. My mom is listening right now. And for my mom, I'm a virgin Atletico. So
about two weeks ago,
you understand?
2 weeks ago, I see my ex for program. I see my ex, and truthfully speaking, that day I know say I don't forgive this guy. Yes, now there I know say.
Now what if your property wrong? Okay.
I really don't.
No, if they call your ex, we need to know which one. Because you get some ex, maybe ex. You get the ex one that won't marry. You can't contribute, now can't buy property.
Another one.
Another girl.
Another one.
They had broken, can't walk away, leave the property with them.
Wow.
That one can't go beat them. You say, no go. Now that ex. You say I'm with that babe.
No, you come alone.
Oh, you don't mind that babe.
Marry.
Okay, fine. So you say your mind clean for you one day.
So the DJ, wait. The lady
issues.
where the guy cheat on you with, he marry him.
Now somebody, you don't marry him. You marry somebody else.
He leave that one, come marry a third person.
Lady, they know that third person.
A third party.
Know that
But he
person.
come marry somebody else eventually with the guy's properties.
So now your property they can't use for
Lady
their own
J
house.
furnish the guy out. That pure Lady J come broke. Now we come to sustain Lady J now.
Lady J did.
Lady J carry all her savings, furnish house, put flat screen, do all those things. Planning for wedding only for the guy to knock out Paco. Joy, so marketing say, May we go arrest this guy. We won't go beat the guy now. You know, I can leave him. God will judge him. So when you go see her, what do you talk?
He just great. Say, but I like the one thing when you talk. He say, you look good. I say, yes, I should look good.
Now
I say, how you day?
You look good.
I say, how you day? How your wife?
If he be say the guy is
Is what?
nothing.
Is what?
This one way they tell you say.
Maybe not say, see what you have missed.
Now you sabi o. I don't move. I have moved long time ago.
So
God Godwin, God bless you. I beg, tell Becca, please say the plates get different taste.
Hey God.
He say many are sweet, some are sweeter, but few are sweetest.
Hey.
God.
Even
God Godwin, you know this one.
Even those days, my mama go tell me why they date in those days. When I come out from university, get one girl, a big, very beautiful black girl. I know I call her name, sorry, no verse. Fine girl, Ijo girl. But the girl, they smallish, small in stature. I cannot go wedding. My mama did the wedding. My mama just look us on the high table. I go there, wait, my mama the front, they look me. Fine girl, I don't trip. I don't know about car now carry. Because my auntie come, she dey drive one big Benz that time. So she and my mama and I go. So I come carry my papa car, go carry the girl. When I reach her, my mama just come in. Come here. I sit down there say, who be that girl I see you with? I say, na my friend, na my girlfriend. Say, okay. Just leave her for that level. I tell her, I say, you know if you marry that girl, say you know. I say why? I say, now I went small like that. She want to carry picking. That girl womb too small. She don't pick
How your mama take see the womb from the outside?
Mama say she don't go fit marry. She don't go fit get belle. Carry picking. So you know what give me girl picking? Normally girl way big, way tall, way fit carry picking. Just stop her now. You understand? And you got one of my best friends. Okay, her name start with Ngozi.
No man.
Sorry, no.
You say her name start with.
Sorry, no
her name.
Fragile, now they call her. They call her fragile. She's the smallish too, very yellow, beautiful. And then she come out come visit my mama go say, when they go to university, like when they go school, if I don't reach park for you do to enter vehicle, they can't go Zaria, ABU Zaria. My mama go say, fragile go follow me reach. You go when they cry.
You say fragile.
You go when they cry when they go walk on hug, when they cry. My very good friend. Mama go say, this one when she they cry. They mind that she not even marry you. I say why? She too small. I'm less small. She don't think I need pikin. My mama concern at the pikin no. So now you can say make guys know they look women look different. You get some experience on girls go say that girl forget it. Nothing what you do before you even enter everything
Well, but for like make Victor come tell us his experience, you know, based on who he be. Victor, come enter my come. I mean you be very atletical too.
And you go they look innocent. They don't know say this one.
I dey very innocent too. I never do a lot.
Victor, you don't get plenty experience.
Never do a lot, but you don't do.
Don't do a few,
because even so I go there, you dey bust my head. Like all these things where I even the ESF, I never even experience. I'm like, all these jersey things are scam. Now those days they enjoy you.
No, this guy they hide. You they hide.
You know say in those days when they get relationship.
So.
In those days, no GSM, no phone. And when phone even come in those days, not be all this why you say if you don't get iPhone, they go say if you want it. So no girl want to select based on your phone and all those things. And that pure love. Pure love and your lyrics for your mouth.
Can you imagine this rubbish where this person is sending? I know if you read them out.
I just dey laugh for you.
Rubbish when the person is that they talk about me.
One day my wife asked me
one
day my wife asked me question and say, which of your ex will you say, tell me the truth, which of your ex will you really say that I have never measured up to when it comes to? Now, man, don't go there. Nobody can measure up to you. You are the best.
Before.
You want a woman say,
Before.
They will go find that person.
Yes.
They will come and say, I say, no, nobody can measure. Now you be out and say, I know. And what you say? That's why they ask me question one if you answer. They come tell you, say, okay, so I know I'm number one. Who is number two? You don't get number two. Nobody's number two.
Hey.
It be like say people they give confession right now. Confession Tuesday. This person say one day I know say the place get different. The day different. Now the day my HR invited me over. The land is greener on the other side.
Hey, this guy they take the HR.
Hey! Wala. 1, 2, 3, go. Spider-Man.
Hey!
He didn't take the HR. Thank God.
Hey,
company
God.
Hey, you don't mention your name, oh.
name.
HR.
You don't mention the company
Okay.
name. No difference.
Hey, God.
Becca will say wife material, she will be sweet. Come on, get out of here.
No, but one thing I fit testify, Becca and Lady J, they go sweet. They go sweet because the way they keep themselves. Wait for that husband. No, like Lady J, that all your son who are waiting gather for all their.
When they say Lady J ring talk, will be like, how you think talk?
Lady J ring talk. Lady J ring talk. He go mad.
Hey, God.
Because Lady J, he don't say Lady J never. Lady J go first scream. Woo! Because you don't tell Lady J.
I don't do it again. I dey go. Bye-bye. I'm going.
I don't tell Lady J that spiritual man. He go say, Father.
I don't do it again. I dey go. Becca, women supporting women the
I
mod.
support
Be
you.
quiet for there. When don't laugh finish. When don't laugh finish. Bye. I don't do it again. Bye.
Lady J, I support you.
I dey live
I
in
say
across the
Becca
bridge.
soundtrack. Go get Yoruba inside.
Funny enough, we get one guy where we say I dey work for Ibadan. I still remember at the cheese far away. I said, so the only thing we dey hear now. Titus Mark Pamisaye. Titus Mark Pamisaye. John to the Lord. I don't say this guy.
For that was apartment that time.
I the guy room there beside Titus Mark Pamisaye. I don't know.
Oh, God.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.